Hello everybody, this is your boy Efeko, a 100+ guider in MMM Nigeria. I provided help of 120,000 naira on the 9th of August 2016, and I got help of 400,000 naira on the 13th of September 2016. Wow, this is so wonderful. I'm so happy that MMM really works. Could you imagine that all this money was paid into my account within 48 hours, directly into my account? I want to thank all the members who contributed to me. I want to thank this great community for giving me this opportunity to be impacted financially. I want to say one love to MMM. I want to say one love to Nigeria. I want to say one love to Nigeria. God is faithful. God bless MMM. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. I encourage you guys to be a part of this community. One love.